mechanic? What is the function of the reed valves, and how can you check if those elements are working properly?
Okay, the function of the reed valves is it goes into the intake, okay? And when you have the intake, when you have the compression stroke, it closes these valves, and when you're going on the suction side, the reed valves open to allow fuel in.
Like a check, like a diode, no?
Yeah, kind of like a diode, one way.
In this direction, open,
Right.
because those flaps open over there, and the fuel enter
Right,
over there, and in this direction, close.
it closes.
Oh, perfect.
So only that way, if you didn't have that closed, what happens is the compression will come out.
Of low
Okay.
compression.
Yeah, and then a symptom of a bad reed valve would you would see air and fuel spitting out of the intake.
That's the symptom. That's the symptom, and you have low compression.
Low compression.
And what is the enemy of those elements?
The enemy is any debris coming in here and water.
And water.
And water.